Out on E2, Don Kennedy. Thank you, Chris, and I didn't butcher your name for that. It's flying scratchbuilt Stingray on a G138 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brand Illinois is flying his FG Perrine on an I-500 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. C6 is flying his Lock 4. That's a Lock Precision Lock 4 on an H100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going out to the array cell. Gary Dickinson, a scratch-built Outcast rocket on an N as in Nancy, 3300. This rocket weighs black purple. What? All right, anyhow. It's 119 inches tall, 5 inches diameter. He's got 2 altimeters and a GPS in there. It's been RSO'd, it's standing up, it's ready to go. You guys standing out there digging a hole in the field, pay attention. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can't get much of a better day than that. Did you put that out there? 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Four, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Did you bring the 5-stager with this time, Fred? Did you bring the 5-stager? Ah, cool. I don't even know what a squidgy is. Don't want to know. Oh! I said I didn't want to know. She's got a K700 in there. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The squidgy.
That flew, the squiggle. Beautiful whistle.
So do I fly half the drag race?
Was that one?
Hey. Oh yeah, all right.
Oh. Thing's really, what is that, like 13 feet a second?
10.
Ooh.
Just got an H268 in there. It's not cheating unless you get caught. Going at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Memories, dude. On an N4000. It's a research motor. This flight, I got something to read here. This is from Chuck. I'm flying Carne Asada as a memorial flight for Kevin Kramer, who we lost back in June. If you were in a hobby 15, 20 years ago, you might remember him flying this rocket at TQC launches at Walcott and Princeton on EX M&N motors. He was a pillar of the local EX community and was a mentor to many, including myself. The N motor on which is flying today is one that Kevin and I made together the last time we mixed, which was in 2010. We now ask you to please join us in a brief moment of silence to remember Kevin. Thank you. We miss you, Kevin. Godspeed. Kevin Kramer on ESL. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Carne Asada. Here's one on D5. Oh, it's a different, oh, I saw there's 2 aliens out there, I'm sorry. All right, K550 going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out on F2, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is one massive rock. We're going out for the...
Slow. Flop it off.
Yes, please.
Because this has enough to take the trailer with it.
Oh yeah. Oh sheesh, that'd be
That'd be
a deal breaker.
Guys, pay attention to this one. Out of Blue is the anti-gravity group, which is Taylor Jesse, Braden Carlson, Shane Harris, and Matthew Myers. They are from Kansas City and Victorville, California. This is a 12-inch Punisher, scratch built, 16 feet tall, 12 inches in diameter, 200 pounds. Got an M2000, 3 M1297s, and 3 L850s. It's got just as many electronics in it. It's a cluster, so it's definitely a heads-up flight. Scarpine approved this one too. Jim, we all gotta say thank you to Jim for taking his time, and he's the one that's signing all this stuff, so if it goes bad, it's all on him. And the boys said thank you to Wild Man for something. I'm not sure exactly what they're thanking me for, but I'm gonna take it. Guys, thank you for coming out and flying this rocket here at Midwest Power. 12-inch N, 3 M's, and 3 L's are going to disappear into the sky in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how you do it. Hopefully not here. It's working. No, that's the curve of the earth now. There it is. Nice job, boys. Nice job. Remember, you cannot drive out in the field. Don't care how big your rocket is.
Yeah! All right. Oh yeah.
I'm interested to see the altitude. Yeah, should we take guesses on the altitude?
15.
I'm saying 15.
15,200. 15,500.
I'm gonna shoot.
Look how slow that is.
I'm gonna say 16.5.
Please deflate.
Oh.
Please deflate.
Oh no.
Gloved up,
Right.
and she does the spacer O-ring. She's like, all right, blue. I wrap it. Signature. All right, next. She cleans it up.
Auto writing for a card. He's got a Mylar parachute in it. It's going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It went up.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! That?
Yeah, separated.
Yeah, we need a rocket check.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Bottom is separated.
Adrian, is your phone on? There's no initiative. Sky Shredder. Appropriate name. Mach 1 on a K2050 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keegan is flying his lock cyclotron on a J425 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out on F1 is flying Kramer Great. It's made by Hanson Inc. On an F1315. He's got enough electronics in here for everybody. He's got a featherweight, an RC3, a stratologger, and radio tracking, along with onboard video. It's got 20 pounds of electronics in there. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is flying his CS. What is the CS? Oh, cancer subs. Is that the Hojo? Custom Hojo, 10 feet tall, 6-inch diameter at the skinny part. On an L1390, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Never heard a Hojo whistle. Pads are open. Yes, that's right. Don Fetters from Braden was flying a very 4 from Mac Performance on a J540. No pressure down or anything. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight as an arrow.
Yeah.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's nice. All the echo.
And smoke in. Come on. On C6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Walking. Colin and Bella, go start walking. Yeah, I see her. But I hope you turned on the Jolly Roger. You're recording? It's 5 o'clock.
All right. Look at all the people walking around out there. Heads up. Whoa. From Hope, Michigan, is flying an ugly thing. It's a Hawk Mountain kit. Wow, that's pretty rare. On an I-175 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He was flying his Skinner Eklund scratch built on an H219 motor eject. This did not get RSO. None of these got RSO. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of E3, Michael Healy, Michigan, flying in Dura, Punisher 3, I-175 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. E5, Jonathan Burke from Hope, Michigan, I-175 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Michael, you have to come up and recycle that. Pad managers learn the right. Pad managers learn the right.
M2000 Sparky in it. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it's a Punisher on an I-175 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out on C2, Randy Julian Punisher It is also a wild man Punisher on an I-357 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey Mike, I think I know where all those Punishers were going. It's flying the Super Bertha on an H-128 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On 5, Elliot Kreider from Westmont is flying on a CTI H-225 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I have no idea. It's flying the Ellipse on an H-130 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That didn't sound right. Washington University in St. Louis is flying the Ursa Minor on a K1100 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, folks, could I have your attention for just a moment, please? If you have electronics in your rocket and you're having problems with them, Rob made these tubes himself on his own time because he wanted to make them goofy frickin' colors. So, you all were asking about color tubing. If you look out there, there's some color tubing. But as Rob can tell you, it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. So, but we're going to do it. So these are H-219s. They're all going at once. Good luck, gentlemen. You know I'm going to win. Turn off all of them except for number 2. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was pretty even.